what exactly is Muhurat trading and why is it considered special for investment?
It's a very, very interesting thing, very historical things actually. It feels really proud as an Indian. When you see stock market, nowhere in the world you do any puja when you are actually trading. And it actually started in 1957, the Bombay Stock Exchange. It has a huge history of this Muhurat trading. Back in those days, there were all, people were shouting the prices, and it was like they were standing there and I want this many 100 shares at this price, and someone will shout, I will take it at this price, and then there is a blackboard where clearance is announced. So those days people considered, in fact they were very religious. Of course, most of the traders are either from Maharashtra, Gujarat and these parts of the country, and they were highly religious and they considered this as a worship, work as worship, and they would do the puja of their ledgers and everything on this Muhurat day. And later the Nifty came, and with all the electronic trading and e-trades and all that, then the Nifty also continued the same tradition. Though technology has evolved over a period of time, the tradition has not changed. We are actually in line with our tradition to do puja on this particular day, on this Lakshmi Puja that we do on an Amavasya day. And also there is Dhanteras before that. So they buy gold on Dhanteras. They also buy gold or buy any stock. So this is a Vikrama Samvatsara, the new year, and on this day, on a new year day, you should make a small beginning. It's not that someone is going to do some aggressive trading. Exclusively, the market, stock market is opened only for 1 hour, 60 minutes. There is a pre-market for 15 minutes and market opens for 1 hour. This is a symbolic trade. People don't do any aggressive kind of thing. They will just pick up some good stocks and fundamentally strong ones, or they buy gold. That is electronic gold, what we call gold ETF. So this day it means an auspicious thing to at least make a beginning and make a transaction. So that whatever you buy on this day, it is likely to make a Shubharam, what we call as a good beginning, is why people do this Muhurat trade.
Very nice, sir. You've explained it, you've actually explained us what Muhurat trading is. Very nice to our, new viewers or new people who are getting into trading. So let's move on to the next question, which is what's the safest and smartest way to start investing in this Diwali?
See, one best way is to invest in gold, because we all considered gold as Lakshmi also. And if someone is wearing lot of gold, they call them Lakshmi. So also for the reason that if you see the last 1 year, 2 years, the gold prices have skyrocketed. And lot of people have missed this rally. If we see the returns from gold investments, because gold can be bought as a physical gold or it can be also bought in an electronic format. We call there's a gold exchange, digital gold. And if I see exact price today, the 10 gram of 24 karat gold in Bangalore is 1,27,785. That means 1 gram is 12,700 rupees per gram. And I remember in my marriage time, during that, the price was around 4,000 rupees, 4,500 rupees, 20 years back. Now it is 12,000 rupees. And as a mark of good beginning for this auspicious time, and if you cannot buy physical gold, because even if you buy 1 gram, it is too small. It's not useful for anything. If you are a new investor and you want to clean up your investments and start working towards a new beginning, then you should at least buy gold on that Muhurat day, and it is coming on 21st October. And the markets are open between 1:45, the normal market session where all exchanges would be open is between 1:45 to 2:45 p.m. So you should finish your lunch fast and keep your things ready to buy your gold between this 1:45 to 2:45. And there is a pre-market session, pre-open session, we call it usually 15 minutes, that is between 1:30 to 1:45.
Great, sir. So let's move on to the last question of this section, which is, can you walk us through how to buy gold ETFs on Rupee Rakshak?
Yeah, it is pretty simple. Like I said earlier, you go to rupeerakshak.com and you have multiple baskets there. If you go to equity baskets, you just search for gold.
Okay.
Automatically, you will see that gold ETF baskets, and you need to add this basket to the cart, just
Okay.
like how you buy things on Amazon.
Yeah.
So you can also add another 1 or 2 baskets if you want. So 3 baskets, you will pay about 1000 rupees as a fee, platform and advisory fee for Rupee Rakshak, and then you can actually go and make sure that you have the transactions ready for
Okay.
that Muhurat day.
Okay.
And very importantly, the first thing that is required for buying all this is you need to have a Demat account.
Okay.
So if you do not have a Demat account, first you need to open a Demat account. Demat account is required for buying any security in India. So once you have an active Demat account, even if you have a Demat account and then on that day you are trying to do something and you will come to know that it is inactive.
Inactive.
And to activate a Demat account, it will take 2 days.
Yes.
And once you have a Demat account which is active, then you need to keep your money, whatever 1000 rupees also. You can
Yeah.
buy half a gram, 1 gram. Here it is not like 12,700 rupees.
Yeah.
You can buy 1000 rupees. So you keep that money in your broker ledger account.
Okay.
You can also transfer through UPI while you are doing the transaction also. So keep the money to buy gold in your Demat account and open your account with Rupee Rakshak and keep the gold basket ready, and it automatically links to your Demat account. We have about 23 brokers already integrated in the Rupee Rakshak. Whether you have ICICI, HDFC Securities, Zerodha, Grow, you name the broker, that broker is there already in the platform. So you will be executing this transaction only during the Muhurat time, that is 1:45 to 2:45. Only thing is, you should click the buy button only during this time, 1:45 to 2:45. But you should be prepared before that.
Okay, great, sir. So that's it for today's Muhurat trading special. So this year's Lakshmi Puja can literally mark the start of your new financial life, guided by knowledge and action. Friends, don't let this Diwali be only about lights and sweets. Let it be about clarity, gratitude and financial growth. Take your MQ test now at Rupee Rakshak, book your free consultation and be ready for the Muhurat trading on October 21st. Start your first gold ETF with Rupee Rakshak. Make this Vishwa Vasu your year of prosperity. Let Lakshmi enter your home not just through gold but through financial wisdom. Take the MQ test, trade smart, live free. Happy Diwali from Rupee Rakshak family.
Happy Diwali to all the viewers.